The PUR Plus? The WINGSOL? Or Engdenton? Perhaps the Brita or the Waterdrop? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 faucet water filters available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best faucet water filters. The 5th product on this list is the Brita Faucet Filter. A faucet water filter provides clean water right at your kitchen sink, and the Brita is one of the best-selling models in this category. This faucet filter system has a few important certifications to help us determine its performance. It is NSF ANSI certified for Standard 53, which refers to lead and asbestos reduction of up to 99%. It is also Standard 42 certified and can remove contaminants in water that cause an unpleasant taste and smell, such as chlorine. This filter also claims to produce water that tastes as good as bottled water due to its ability to remove 60 contaminants. The basic faucet filter system is more efficient than similar products on the market, as its filter lasts approximately 3 months. This means you'll get more use out of your filter before having to replace it, saving you money in the long run. There's also a filter indicator that lets you know when the filter isn't working properly. This filter, like the majority of faucet-mounted water filters, is simple to install. You can unscrew your aerator from your faucet, then attach the filter directly to your faucet or mount it using one of the provided adapters. Its filter is made of activated carbon, which traps contaminants in its pores and prevents them from passing through with the smaller water particles. Activated carbon is a tried-and-true filtration method found in everything from air purifiers to face masks. So, if you want a straightforward way to get better-tasting water at home, this is the way to go. Its pros are, it helps save money and replace up to 1,800 single-use water bottles per year. Its space-efficient design attaches directly to your faucet to give you a choice of 3 convenient spray options for everyday needs. And it has a helpful status indicator that lets you know when to replace the filter. However, it is quite difficult to grasp and remove the filter when it does need changing. This Brita filter system is an essential tool for anyone's kitchen sink, especially for health-conscious people who want to ensure good drinking water quality. Up next in 4th place is the Engdenton Faucet Filter. This unit is a faucet filtration system that removes up to 99% of lead, plus 70 more contaminants from water. But the real selling point of this filter is that it has a stainless steel exterior, which blends in with faucets far better than most of the white plastic filters that are common on the market. The steel design is also more durable and leak-proof than plastic designs, which tends to crack after a few months of use. You'll love that the filter housing is tough and durable and is designed to match your kitchen faucet without looking odd or out of place. It holds the filter in the correct position and prevents it from becoming clogged up with particles from the air. Thanks to its fast flow rate, you can enjoy roughly 8 cups of water per minute with this excellent filter. What's more, the installation process is straightforward and quick and doesn't require any tools. The maximum life of the filter is 6 months, which is much longer than the standard 2 to 3 month lifespan of a typical product of its kind. Though, of course, the actual lifespan depends solely on your water usage. All in all, it's a sleek unit that's perfect for any kitchen. Its pros are, it uses a high-quality food-grade 304 stainless steel housing, making it extremely durable. Its long-lasting activated carbon filter is long-lasting, and its angle can be adjusted to enjoy a water fountain function at home. However, it's pretty heavy, so it can cause lower quality faucets to bend over time. The Engdenton Faucet Filter is a useful tool to simultaneously keep your water clean and healthy. It's suitable for those who are using standard faucets at home. Still haven't found a faucet water filter that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Waterdrop Faucet Filter. Knowing what's in your drinking water is crucial because it can help you avoid certain diseases. And a reliable faucet water filter like this one from Waterdrop is ideal for the job. Here's a unit made of stainless steel, making it durable and suitable for the aesthetics of our modern kitchen. It also employs an activated carbon filter block as well as mineralization filter media for more effective and balanced water pH filtration. This ensures that the filtration is more effective and that the water tastes better. This faucet-mounted filter's carbon block effectively removes more than 60 water contaminants, including lead and many other heavy metals. In addition, this faucet water filter system has a 360-degree swivel angle function, allowing you to set it up and enjoy your water from any angle. This system also has 2 modes, which you can easily switch between by gently rotating the button to change the water in a second. Purified water can be used to wash vegetables and to drink directly, whereas tap water can be used to wash hands and water flowers. This is due to the manufacturer's belief that various models will meet various needs. Lastly, this system uses a mineralization filtration media that adds beneficial minerals into the water while removing harmful contaminants. Its pros are, it adopts advanced activated carbon block that helps reduce lead, sediment, and more. It provides a high flow rate of 0.5 GPM that is fast and stable, and it's made of BPA-free and lead-free material that makes it safe to use. However, it's a bit challenging to get a good seal on the faucet. The Waterdrop WDFC06 is a high-efficiency filtration system designed for households that want to improve their water quality while saving money. The second product on this list is the WINGSOL faucet filter. This next water filter outperformed many well-known brands due to its unique features, including its long-lasting construction, ease of use and installation, and advanced filtration technology. This model filters out sand, rust, dirt, and sediment while reducing chlorine, heavy metals, and other contaminants. In terms of durability, this product is made of long-lasting 304 stainless steel. The internal filter is also durable, with a recommended capacity of 200 gallons. You can also remove and wash the filter to extend its life, which is impossible with many comparable products. When the time comes to replace your filter, WINGSOL replacement filters are very affordable. If you've tried plastic tap water filters and they haven't worked for you, try this one. When you purchase this item, you will receive a ceramic filter, micro nose, pre-GAC, KDF, and post-GAC all in one. This will remove bacteria like salmonella and bad odors from your water. You'll also be relieved to know that this filter neutralizes unpleasant tastes such as chlorine. This model is much smaller than other faucet water filter systems. In terms of installation and design, you'll be relieved to know that it's simple to install on a standard faucet. Once installed, it's simple to use with 360-degree adjustments, and you won't lose any sink space to a bulky unit. This filter is also simple to replace, and you can find them in various online stores. Its pros are, its housing is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel that offers an extended durability. It features a free swivel design that allows water output in any direction, and it helps to improve taste and reduce contaminants in the water. However, it may take time to complete the installation process. The WINGSOL faucet filter is an excellent system for anyone who wants to enjoy fresh, pure water directly from your faucet without waiting. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top faucet water filter is the PUR PLUS FM Series. Contaminants can enter your water system on a daily basis, so filtering your water is critical, and PUR has been developing innovative technologies for superior water filtration for over 30 years. This stainless steel faucet mount water filtration system from PUR has an attractive stainless steel finish and a comprehensive design that employs natural minerals, activated carbon, and ion exchange to filter out contaminants while adding a clean taste to the water. This stylish water filtration system promises to provide you with refreshing filtered water from your faucet. What we like best about it is the mineral core technology, which filters water over natural minerals for a delicious taste. Furthermore, this drinking water filtration system is certified to reduce 70 contaminants, including lead and mercury, 2 of the most dangerous chemicals, particularly for home use. It's also certified to remove 10 times as many contaminants as Brita's leading pitcher filter. This faucet mount water filter is simple to install and requires no tools. Another distinguishing feature of this system is that it is compatible with most faucets, with the exception of pull-out or handheld faucets. Each mineral clear filter is intended to provide up to 100 gallons of filtered water, which is approximately 3 months of use. So, if you want the purest and best tasting water straight from the faucet, this is the product for you. Its pros are, it has a straightforward installation process, it's compatible to most types of faucets, it has an easy on-off switch so you can choose when you want filtered water or not, and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. However, it is pretty bulky, so it may not suit kitchens that are short on space. The PUR PLUS FM Series is an ideal filtration system for anyone who prioritizes the quality of the water that they use at home. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.